Hello, my name is Tiana Littlejohn, and today I'm going to be looking at the Underwood family Sonoran Landscape Laboratory in terms of its sustainable design. This project took place in Tucson, Arizona, and was created in 2007. The Ike landscape architects designed a space that brought the 5 biomes of the Sonoran Desert into the design principles of water conservation, reduction of urban flooding, reduction of heat island effect, reconnection with nature, and interpretive oasis. Using the guiding principle of water conservation, the architects created a bioswale which would collect stormwater. When the system is full, the water will overflow into a riparian area where native vegetation is planted. This process allows water to cycle back into the soil and feed plants, and each year there is 230,000 gallons of water harvested from the site. The architects took inspiration from natural systems, in turn creating an environment that conserves water and reduces the risk of urban flooding. The third principle of mitigating heat island effects is seen with the site being transformed from a parking lot to a green space. By planting vegetation that provides shade, the architects curated a courtyard that is cooler and more enjoyable for visitors. The biomass increased by 50%, and species of native plants were picked because of their ability to survive in the upper Sonoran Desert, which makes them adaptable to climate change. As mentioned previously, this site was originally a parking lot, so the transformation of the Underwood family's Sonoran Landscape Laboratory successfully met the goal of fostering connection with nature by allowing natural systems to integrate and thrive where they once were. My favorite thing about this project is how it promotes the opportunity for species repopulation despite it being in an urban environment. The pond is home to endangered fish and is listed as a U.S. Fish and Wildlife Safe Harbor site. This project serves as a model for regional government water and harvesting conservation legislation, and in all, this site is an interpretive oasis. This project uses education to inform students about their natural ecosystem. Through science and the creation of a natural place to study, people can connect with nature. The teaching garden helps generate innovative strategies for the future of sustainable design in the Landscape Architecture Department in the University of Arizona. This project serves as a vision of sustainability, and it can be used to guide others, with almost all of the project's materials and labor being locally sourced. The engineering systems greatly increased soil, air, and water quality, all contributing to a cooler microclimate, which is important for Arizona. This project incorporated water harvesting, habitat creation, material reuse, microclimate management, and educational elements that were all aimed at addressing climate change. Thank you so much for listening, and here are my sources if you would like to look more into this beautiful land.